Welcome to our shared kitchen and lounge spaces that come with our True apartment rooms here at True Glasgow. I'm going to give you a quick tour about what you will get in your kitchen when you move here and you move into your flat with your new neighbours. So all of our kitchens are fit to cater to 6 people. Even though some of our flat size might be 5, there is always that kind of 6 space. What I mean by that is you will notice that your tables and your dining table will be for 6 people. So it means that you have a lot of space in your kitchen as well, so it's absolutely great. So walking on into this space, what you see here is pretty much what you're going to get. Your kitchen might be a slightly different layout, but you'll still get the exact same features, okay? Get in touch with one of the team if you want to find out what your layout might be like. So you will get 2 4-ring hobs. So it's great for if you want to cook with 8 different pans because they're really nice and big. These are Samsung electric hobs as well, so it'll cook your food really quickly. You will notice that you also have Samsung extraction because we believe that you want to be able to cook out all the steam and the cooking smells and stuff like that and suck that straight out of the room. However, we do also have some great windows in these spaces, so you can open up the windows for some fresh air too. Under here, you have an integrated microwave grill combi. And then on the other side, you have a Samsung oven. So this is where you can roast your chicken and cook your food and stuff like that. And I'm sure you can see behind me, you have loads of storage. Definitely enough storage for you and your other flatmates. Plus, there's even storage underneath this kitchen counter here. So there's absolutely loads. Moving on over, you can see you have a lovely dark grey countertop and a lot of counter space for you to cook with. You have a sink with a side drainer, which is great for drying your pots and pans after you've been cooking. And here you get a full-size American-style fridge freezer, which again will offer you and your flatmates lots of space for you to store your food and your groceries. Then we walk on into the lounge space. So because we're still under construction, ready to be open this September, there's a few things still missing in here, but they will be here when you move in with us. You will notice that there will be a coffee table missing and your TV isn't quite up yet, but you do get a flat screen TV in here, which is also a smart TV. So it will have the free view capabilities plus a lot more. And we pay for the TV license in here as well, so that one's on us. Then you will have lots of comfortable seating, you've got a lounge space here, and you will have more comfortable chairs that you can relax in with your new flatmates.